It's Thanksgiving here in the Cyclekart workshop, and the family's over for Thanksgiving dinner. So we're having a little bit of Hot Wheels fun, set up a track.
First round of the...
Not yet. Your Tim puts their cars up there. And Mike,
oh, that's a nice car, Mikey.
The track is 18 feet long.
Ooh, almost.
I want to race one.
Alright, Mikey, I'm going old school.
Old school has not been working out.
I'm going lane one.
I don't know what that is. Ready?
Susie, baby, let's go!
Good thing I have another one.
Winner, lane 5.
that's right there. That's the winner.
There's the
It's not
winner.
all-wheel drive launch, you know what I'm saying? It's not all-wheel drive. Look, he took my Subi.
Little snake. Hey!
So can I put one in the race?
Subaru, bro?
Yeah.
Where's the Subi at?
Ready? Ready? Nice.
Are you ready to go down? All the old school.
I got my Golf.
Mike, I got you an old school car, bro. Maybe it'll help you out a little bit.
You really you fit your focus? No, it's a Golf. Oh, it's a Golf?
Hey, do I do
I'm gonna have to change that.
Alright. And the electric vehicle.
Uh-huh, okay.
Tesla, okay.
Okay. Go, say go. Noah.
Go.
Tesla!
Yo, what?
Winner, lane 6.
Okay. 3.
Go.
Oh, Camaro.
Yeah, wow.
Camaro.
Sorry.
This one did not win for me.
Camaro is a winner.
Camaro is the winner.
Daddy, Tesla just went down.
What?
The Noah's car.
Austin?
We have the Cyclekarts on hold for today,
No, it didn't, Austin.
playing with another kind of car.
Austin.
Put Noah's car.
So, do we put it back anywhere?
Okay.
I think so, remember.
He hasn't guessed and numbered them yet.
Yeah. Right, that's next.
Today racing in row 8, bank 3.
Yeah, you look ready, Bubba. This one?
Huh?
Want to put that up there?
Yep.
Fine. Put that up there. Or put the Daytona up there, but race Daytona versus Firebird. Because Dodge is better.
I have 5, so where the other one
1,
go?
2, 3.
Go. Go.
It's a Firebird.
Winner, lane 5.
Dang.
I'm going. Dad, is it okay for me to go?
Oh, what?
My blue one? My little blue.
What?
Got little blue.
Went down there, I got in there, went down there, what?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't have 2 of them. Oh.
No one's on this. Hold it up, boys. Let's go! Hold you.
So I searched around for a 6-lane raceway, which I got on eBay, and then I bought a 50-foot roll of vintage track. This is from the 70s. And then I bought a few 12-inch links, like from Walmart, of the more modern track. The start-finish line comes with the 6-lane raceway. So it's working out pretty good. It's about 16 feet long. Okay, well, let's have a little NASCAR race. NASCAR's against the equipment trailers.
Okay, we're gonna put the Subaru on the transporter.
Let me know why.
You gonna pull it?
No, wait, let me know. Wait. Dad.
He was launching, man. Oh no, I had his hand on the trigger there.
Not yet.
Go.
Not yet.
Not yet. When Uncle says go.
Go ahead.
Go. Super slow one?
It's the race of the transporters.
Okay, wait. When Uncle says go.
Go.
When Uncle says go.
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 I'm going that
I know I had that one. Yeah.
Super slow-mo recording.
Yep. Oh, that was wicked looking. All right, so we elevated the track, put in a Humpty Bump, and then we're filming them in super slow motion to see if we can get them when they're in the air.
Before you go, let me know. I'm ready.
Ready? Watching in 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
That was cool. 3, 2, 1, go.
That was fast. They even catch it.
1.
They're like, move.
Transporters with trucks on top. We're going for massive carnage at the bottom of the hill.
Sending in 3, 2, 1.
Go.
I missed it.
3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, I'll set them up again.
Go.
Okay.
It's filming.
Dad, move your hand. Okay,
Okay.
we're ready.
I'm gonna commit to
Right there?
one of these.
Okay. 3,
Start.
He's in.
2, 1, send in.
It almost.
2, 1,
Let's
send
go.
in.
Oh, that was.
Good.
Send in 3, 2,
1, go. Ready?
Go.
Man, come on. On this, I have to.
Okay.
Sending in 3, 2, 1.
Yep.
Sending.
Ready.
There's a lot, guys.
Oh, I see how you changed it. That's pretty good. It's a okay.
I have to film this. It almost hit the camera.
That was a good launch. Where's the other car? Well, normally we would get out the cycle carts on Thanksgiving. That's usually the tradition, but it was a little chilly today and overcast, so we decided to set up the Hot Wheels track, and man, we sure had a good time. So maybe we'll do more of this in the future. Thanks for watching, everybody.